Hello everyone. Today our topic of discussion is correlation. The learning objective of today's topic is to understand the concept of correlation, its utility, its types and different degrees of correlation and different methods of correlation. So, let's start with the introduction. In our day-to-day life, we find many examples when a mutual relationship exists between two variables. हम अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं जिसमें हम दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच में म्यूचुअल रिलेशनशिप हम इजीली फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं. जैसे एक के घटने या बढ़ने से दूसरे वेरिएबल पे भी फ़र्क पड़ता है, वो भी उसके प्रोपोर्शन में घटता या बढ़ता है. कमोडिटी एंड इट्स प्राइस. तो ये फैक्ट से दिखाते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ म्यूचुअल रिलेशनशिप एग्जिस्ट करता है. ठीक है, जैसे डिमांड फॉर अ कमोडिटी का और उसके प्राइस का, एज का, उसके पर्सन के वेट का, सनलाइट का एंड टेम्परेचर का. कोरिलेशन refers to the statistical technique used in measuring the closeness of relationship between the variable. तो कोरिलेशन क्या है? कोरिलेशन एक ऐसी स्टेटिस्टिकल टेक्निक है जिसका इस्तेमाल करके हम वेरिएबल्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप फाइंड आउट करते हैं, वो एक दूसरे को इफेक्ट करते हैं. According to Simpson and Kafka, so correlation analysis deal with the association between two or more variable. Correlation analysis जो है वो दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच में एसोसिएशन को फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करता है. So next is the utility of correlation. Most of the variable show same kind of relationship. कुछ ऐसे वेरिएबल होते हैं जो एक ही तरीके का रिलेशनशिप शो करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज़ अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन प्राइस एंड सप्लाई. प्राइस एंड सप्लाई के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप है कि जैसे जैसे प्राइस इंक्रीज़ होगा सप्लाई भी इंक्रीज़ होगी. इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर. इनकम बढ़ेगी तो एक्सपेंडिचर भी बढ़ेगा. विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोरिलेशन एनालिसिस वी कैन मेजर द डिग्री ऑफ रिलेशनशिप इन वन फिगर बिटवीन डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स. ये कह रहे हैं कि हम जो है कोरिलेशन एनालिसिस का इस्तेमाल करते हुए हम एक फिगर के थ्रू हम ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं कि कितने डिग्री का रिलेशनशिप है दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच में, मतलब कितने डिग्री तक दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप है. पॉइंट इज, वंस वी कम टू नो दैट द टू वेरिएबल्स आर म्यूचुअल रिलेटेड, जैसे ही हमें पता लगता है कि दो वेरिएबल जो है म्यूचुअली रिलेटेड है, तो हम जो है एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू के बेसिस पे दूसरे वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. और ये फंक्शन जो है ये हम रिग्रेशन टेक्निक का इस्तेमाल करते हुए परफॉर्म करते हैं. तो जो कोरिलेशन जो है वो हमें रिग्रेशन परफॉर्म करने में हेल्प करता है. एंड इन अदर वर्ड्स, हम जो रिग्रेशन जो है वो कोरिलेशन पे डिपेंडेंट है. अगर रिलेशन होगा तभी हम रिग्रेशन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. थर्ड पॉइंट इज, कोरिलेशन इज़ ऑल्सो यूजफुल फॉर इकोनॉमिस्ट. इकोनॉमिस्ट भी कोरिलेशन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एंड इकोनॉमिस्ट स्पेसिफाइज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स लाइक डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, मनी सप्लाई एंड प्राइस लेवल बाय द वे ऑफ कोरिलेशन. कोरिलेशन के थ्रू इकोनॉमिस्ट जो है वो अलग अलग वेरिएबल्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. In business, a trader makes the estimation of cost, sales, price, etc. with the help of correlation and make appropriate plans. एक business में एक trader जो है किसी cost, sales, price इन सब का अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं correlation का इस्तेमाल करते हुए. तो these are the utilities. Next topic of discussion is types of correlation. So we have three types of correlation: positive and negative correlation, linear and curvilinear correlation, simple partial and multiple correlation. So positive and negative correlation is on the basis of direction of change of the variables. So this concept is based on the direction of change. Positive and negative correlation, I'm talking about positive and negative correlation. What is positive correlation? If the two variables x and y, if the two variables x and y both moves in same direction, okay, either they are moving upward or they may be moving downward. If two variables x and y both move in same direction, if one rises other is also rises. and if one is declining, other one is also declining, then this is called the positive correlation. Example: positive relations are the relationship between price and supply, okay, and advertisement expenses and sales, okay. With the increase in advertisement expenses, sales are also increasing. So when two variables are moving in same direction, then this kind of uh, this kind of relationship are called positive correlation. And what a negative correlation? If two variables x and y move in opposite direction, for example, x is increasing and y is decreasing, other one is decreasing, they are moving in opposite directions. For example, if one is rising, other one is falling, and if one is falling, other one is rising, then it is called negative correlation. Example of negative correlation are the relationship between demand and price, investment and rate of interest. Alright, next is linear and curvilinear relationship. This is the correlation which is based on the change in proportion. So if the ratio of change in two variables, for example we have x and y, if the ratio of change between the two variables remains constant throughout, uh, we are talking about linear correlation. If the ratio of change between the two variables x and y remains constant throughout, then we can say that they are linearly correlated. Like when every time supply of a commodity rises by 20%, for example, it is supply is rising by 20% and its price is rises by 10%. Okay, when every time price rises by 10%, supply is rising by 20%, then such two variables have linear relationship. If the value of these two variables are plotted on a graph, then all the points lie in a straight line, because the change every time take place between these two variables, they take place in same proportion, 20 is to 10 every time. Let's talk about curvilinear correlation. So when the ratio of change between the two variables is not constant but changing, correlation is said to be curvilinear. Like when every time price of a commodity rises by 10%, for example, this is the price of a commodity and it rises by 10%, then sometimes supply may rise by 20%, and other time it rises by 10%, and sometimes it rises by 40%. So the ratio is not constant but changing. Every time price increases by 10%, supply may increase by 20, by 10 or by 40. So then non-linear or curvilinear correlation exists between them. In case of curvilinear correlation, value of variable plotted on a graph will give a curve shape. Okay, next, simple, partial and multiple correlation on the basis of number of variables studied. So what is simple correlation? Simple correlation is when we study the relationship between two variables only, then it is called simple correlation. For example, relationship between price and demand. Partial correlation, what is partial correlation? Okay, so what is partial correlation? When three or more variables are taken but the relationship between any two of the variable is studies. So हम क्या करते हैं, हम दो तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा वेरिएबल्स को लेते हैं बट हम सिर्फ दो को ही स्टडी करते हैं, कीपिंग अदर थर्ड वन एज कांस्टेंट और द अदर variables as constant. We just study the relationship between two variables only, then it is called partial correlation. Suppose under the constant temperature we study the relationship between the amount of rainfall and wheat yield, then it is called the partial correlation. What is multiple correlation? When we study the relationship among three or more variables simultaneously, then it is called multiple correlation. For example, if we study the relationship between rainfall, temperature and yield of wheat, then it is called the multiple correlation. Okay, degrees of correlation. Okay, perfect correlation, high degree of correlation, moderate, low, and absence of correlation. Just let's talk about the first degree of correlation, which is perfect correlation. When two variables vary at constant ratio in the same direction, it is perfect positive correlation, and when the direction is opposite, it is perfect negative correlation. In case of perfect positive correlation, correlation coefficient is equal to +1, and if the case of perfect negative correlation, correlation coefficient is equal to -1. High degree of correlation, when correlation exists in very high magnitude, then it is called the high degree of correlation. In such a case, correlation coefficient ranges between positive plus 0.75 to +1, and negative high degree of negative correlation exists between minus 0.75 to -1. And what is moderate degree of correlation? When correlation coefficient on lies within the limit of 0.25 to 0.75, both for positive and negative, then they are called the moderate degree of correlation. Low degree of correlation, when correlation exists in very small magnitude, then it is called the low degree of correlation. In such case, correlation coefficient ranges between 0 to 0.25 in both positive and negative case. Absence of correlation, when there is no relationship between the variables, then correlation is not found in such type of study. So we can say that correlation is found to be absent. In case of absence of correlation, the value of correlation coefficient is 0. What are the different methods of correlation? We have graphical methods, we have graphic methods, and algebraic methods. Uh, 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 Scatter diagram and correlation graph comes under the ambit of graphic methods, and Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, rank correlation method, and concurrent dimension methods are the part of algebraic method. So in the other video, we will discuss different methods of correlation and how to calculate correlation using these methods. Thank you so much, class. For reference purpose, you can take business statistics by T.R. Jain. Thank you so much, everyone.